Ani, lesson 39. If you have not reviewed lesson 38, stay away from lesson 39 because it builds on 38. But if you have, you're fine. What we're doing here is the same conditional, but we're using all the irregular verbs, and they're easy because they all end the same way. So we have veng, dekking, glissing, jening, hoorhing, verhinger, hjakking, joing, diesing, derting, racking, all first person singular, and the endings are all the same as the other ones that you studied in chapter 38. They give you a chance to practice with them. The negative is ni, the question is an, they're all the same. So practice that page, but then there's another page. That's where they get you. Now they're talking about some places and some times, and just the phrase or the word for said, and ursa you could also use. Ursession, ursashon, ursa before a noun, before pronoun. And those are usually used in stories, like, just when you're quoting something directly. If somebody said something in quotes, ursession, or ursa an munchur, they have, or ursisha. And a lot of times you use that emphatic form. Urshe is fine too. And then there's a lot of practice on this page, and this is a very good review. So this chapter, you really should try and do all those Kergelge Ersho exercise because they're very good practice for you. Now, there's a couple of pronunciation things here. Ka, C-A-I-T-H, is to spend, to throw, to use up. Some people will pronounce that kai. That AI becomes an I sometimes for some people. Likewise, ta an gievra aun, it is winter. Some people will say givra. Just a little variety in the language. That's the way it is. But you don't have to say those things, and if you don't want to sound like you're one of those people, that's fine. But if you hear it, you should know what it is. So that is a lot of reviewing in chapter 39. Have fun with that.